You have sufficient insurance. 60% of the Americans believe that they have insurance which is sufficient. And you know what is that amount which they believe they have insurance is? Anything ranging between 5 lakh to 50 lakhs. Now imagine you too have the insurance, and I believe 90% of the people who are watching this video would be having insurance in that range, because we Indians dramatically follow Americans. Now let's take the fact. How much is the actual insurance what one needs? There is a simple formula called human life value. How do I calculate human life value? First thing I need to calculate is what is my yearly income. If I earn yearly, say 12 lakhs rupees. Second important step is what is your current age. If you're in your early 30s, say if you're 30 years currently, the second step is how much age is left for retirement. If I believe that I'm going to work for the next 30 years, so I get two figures. First is 12 lakhs is my yearly income. 30 years I'm going to work. For next 30 years I'm going to work. So human life value calculation is yearly salary into the number of years left for retirement. So 20 into 30. What is the figure? Can somebody tell me? 6 crores. So as of today, if I expect my income doesn't increase, it is going to increase, right? At least by 10% per annum if I take that way. But as of today, if I have to take insurance, how much is the amount I need insurance? At least 6 crore. If it's a term plan. Now what is a term plan? A term plan is an insurance which pays only and only when I die. So if today I have to invest, my human value I have calculated is 6 crore. If I am age 30. The second stage, what is better? Term plan is better or whole life is better? Let's see each and every thing's pros and cons. Term insurance is good if we have no insurance at all, or if we are underinsured. But as the saying goes, save every penny for your livelihood. Whole life insurance will give you 3 essential benefits. Whole life insurance gives you a guaranteed rate of return. Second thing, whatever premiums you are paying on your whole life insurance, you are getting a tax exemption till 1,50,000 under section 80C. Third and the foremost, it inculcates a habit of saving. So the bare essential part, if you are saving into that thing. Now again, whole life insurance gives you one essential benefit. For example, if you are buying an insurance policy, child insurance policy, there is an inbuilt waiver called premium waiver. So if your child is age 2 and you are buying a policy as a father, and in case of an unfortunate event, all the future premiums of the child, that education policy will be waived off. That will be taken care by insurance company. Isn't that is what is the need of the hour? Second thing, if you are buying a retirement plan, you are as it is investing in PPF or any other funds, which gives you a return of 7%. But in this thing, or any insurance policy of LIC which gives you, which I always specify to all the people that they should have Jeevan Umang. There you will have a monthly saving automatically debit from your bank. Second thing, a corpus would be ready or a guaranteed pension. So, and the most important, there is an aspect called critical illness. If there is some critical illness, 10% of the sum assured is paid to you for next 10 years. So all these things is possible only in whole life policy. Last and the most important thing, you as a person understand this thing. You as a person is watching the video, but only 10% of the Indians still have insurance. Rest 90% are underinsured. So what I would request you today, seeing the video, or being a good citizen of the country, or being the informed person of the country, do spread this video and post comment and make people aware why is insurance important. Because when one person dies, it is not that one person who dies, it is the whole family dies if he is underinsured. So that's the reason I take it as a cause that I should reach maximum people and keep on updating them about the need for insurance. Do like, subscribe and share this video to maximum people, and give me a call to buy a insurance if you believe you have not covered till now. I'm just a call away. My number, I have shared it in the description box. Give a call and know. Don't delay your decision even by a day. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you.